The MS Excel formula is similar to the mathematical formula. Well, that you know that you have already worked with some formula in mathematics. So in the mathematics, we are using the plus, minus, multiplication, and division to do different kinds of operation. In Excel also, we will use these operators to do calculations. Now, in case of MS Excel, when we are writing the formula into any cell, so the formula must start with an equals to sign. So if I am writing the formula, so suppose I want to obtain the result of 2 plus 3. So I'm showing two different things. First I am writing 2 plus 3, and in the second cell I'm writing the same formula but preceding by an equals to sign. So the first one is only just I have written 2 plus 3, and second one is written equals to 2 plus 3. Now here you see the basic difference between this one and the next one. The first and the next one, you can see the basic difference between them. So always in MS Excel, a formula always begins with an equals to sign followed by the cell references and operator whatever you are using. So the formula must be start or begins with an equals to sign. So when you have to enter any formula in the cell, first double click on the cell. First you have to double click on that cell and first type the equals to sign, and then after that you just write the operation that you want to perform including the operators and hit the enter button from the keyboard to get the result. As you press the enter key from the keyboard, the MS Excel calculates the value, that is the value with the help of the operator, whatever the operator you are using. Like this, so whatever the operator you are using, so and it displays the value in that corresponding cell. But remember one thing, look at this one, I am writing 9 minus 7. Look at this. And again I'm writing this one, 8 divided by 5. Now I'm writing 4 plus 6. So the formula, it shall be shown in the formula bar. Whenever you click on that cell, this one is the formula bar. You can see the formula here. You can be able to see the formula here. Now remember one thing, that if you write like this way, 4 plus 6, 8 minus 6, 9 divided by 2, without the equals to sign at the beginning, the calculation will not be performed. Remember thing, without the equals to sign at the beginning, the calculation will not be performed, as the expression will not be treated as the formula. Instead of that, it is treated as a simple text entry. So make sure that whenever you are entering any formula, it must begins with an equals to sign.